Here's your chance to enjoy all Silver Lake has to offer. With nearly 3,000 square feet of finished space, you'll have plenty of room in this 3-bedroom, 3-bath ranch home with an open floor plan. You'll find granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen/dining area, that opens to the fire-lit great room with vaulted ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. This home offers the convenience of a first-floor laundry, a spacious master bedroom with a master bath and a nice-size walk-in closet. The lower level is finished with another full bath, bedroom or office, and there is plenty of space for living or entertaining in the recreation area. Wired for generator. Inground sprinkler system. Updates included a brand new roof, some newer appliances and AC as well. Enjoy your downtime while relaxing on the Trex deck or the stamped concrete patio area, or head to the dock and take in the waters of beautiful Silver Lake.